Good morning. So today I am going to be installing vent visors on my 2018 Chevy Silverado. I recorded this earlier today and the volume, the microphone, something was wrong with it. So it's really choppy. I tried to, I wrote down everything that I said and I tried to record over it. It sounded terrible. It just wasn't gonna work that way. So please forgive me. I have to I can't redo it because I already installed the vent visors on the truck. And they do look really good, but the video is gonna be the sound is not gonna be optimal. So thank you for bearing with me. Let's get on with the video. Before we get started, I would like to take a minute to let you know that this video was made possible by the generous support of viewers like you. Through your donations, I was able to buy these vent visors, and that helps out a lot. You don't know how much that your support means to me. When I see that I get donations, it really makes my day. It makes me feel like I'm on the right path and I'm doing what I'm supposed to do. I really enjoy making these videos and I enjoy helping people. I want to share all the knowledge that I have, and I want to make people feel like they can do these tasks. And sometimes they may be overwhelming if you've never done it before and you're not sure what to do, you don't want to mess up. So that's what I feel like I'm here for, because if I can do it, so can you. So let's get started putting these on. These are vehicle specific. So if you go to the parts store or order online or anything, make sure that you get the ones for your specific vehicle. So it comes with 2 front and 2 back, and make sure you match them up first to know which side, the left and the right. So we're gonna do a dry test fit first before we remove the adhesive tape from the visor. See the red? This is the plastic protecting the tape. There's there's double-sided adhesive tape already on here, and once we stick it in, then we will remove this red plastic. It will expose the adhesive, which we will apply firm pressure to the channel to make sure that it sticks good. So we're going to make sure it fits up in there before pulling the tape protectant. So the first thing you do is roll down your windows all the way. And it comes with alcohol prep wipes and also this little Scotch-Brite pad. We'll use this to make sure inside the channel is good and clean before wearing the visor. Yep, it looks like it's perfect fit. Let me just put my window up and see what it feels like. I didn't want to smash my fingers. That was a little bit difficult to do. But yeah, that looks good. That looks a lot better than the ones that stick on. The ones that stick on the top are, they are easier to put on. And you don't have to worry about, oh, well, what if it messes up the rubber, or what if it scratches my window? But when you look at it, you say, yeah, that looks sharp. I like that a lot. So, since we all agree that it's right, we'll go ahead and install it for real. So see, first there's the outside, then there's this one rubber gasket, and then there's a spot in between this other gasket. And this is where it's gonna go. Since the adhesive is on the outside of the visor, it means this side is where it's going to stick. So that's where we will clean really good with the alcohol prep wipe. Then we'll remove the little sticky tape. And we'll get this one started. And we're not going to remove the wire strip because we don't want it sticking to something that's not where it's supposed to. Once we stick it in there, then we will remove the rest. We got this started, so we'll have the little handle, and then we'll be able to remove it once it's in there, and then we'll apply firm pressure to hold it in place. Oh, I should have removed that red one from this corner before I did that. Don't want to compromise the integrity of the tape by taking it off and putting it back on, but I guess this time I had to. So because this is pressure sensitive tape, you'll have to put some pressure on it to hold it in place to make the tape work. And once you got it in, then put your window up. And leave it up for 72 hours. That will create a firm bond and keep your channels, keep your visors from falling out. Now we'll do the same thing to the back window. This is a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. See, what happened was I accidentally got the inch channel. I didn't think to look at it, and I just asked the salesman for some vent visors for this truck. I didn't specify, and I don't think he even noticed whether or not they were inch channel or just tape-ons. And I'm kind of glad that I got these. That looks good. That looks real good. So, let's get this back one done. Now we got that good and clean. Remember, remove the tape on the side first, because once you stick it in, you're not going to be able to get a grip on that. So remove that little plastic piece first and get this plastic started. So you could peel it off once it's in there. And just like that. Now apply pressure all the way around. Kind of pull it out. That gives it more, that applies the pressure more, and then we'll roll the window up. Now we got that good and snug in place. We'll leave those windows up for at least 72 hours. That'll give it a nice tight seal. That looks really good. Yeah, that looks good. Now let's get the other side done. So there you have it. How to put vent visors on your vehicle. And it all works the same way, whether you have a truck or a car. They all have windows, they all have window channels. It's pretty simple to do. So I hope you learned something from this. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and most of all, have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye-bye.